Yeah.
Elliot.
Elliot, is this your first Christmas? Is that good? Who got you your Santa outfit? Where are you?
Elliot.
Hey, sweet peas. Are you gonna crawl to open your gifts? Is that one for you? It sure is. Sweet peas. Oh, we're having fun. Wow. This is our Christmas tree. Oops, Papa picked up Elliot. Hey, sweetie. Santa, little mini Santa is opening a present. This is fun.
You can open it. You can open it.
Hi, cutie. Yum, yum, yum. That's all you want. Spit in your mouth.
Elliot, Elliot, Elliot. Hi.
Why'd you help? Why doesn't Papa help Elliot open it?
Let's open this and see what's in here. Yeah? Yeah, just go for it. We'll worry about the... What is it?
That's difficult.
It's baby's first Christmas.
Let's be careful we don't choke on this. And then go like this.
Eat it. Yum, 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 yum.
Do it again. Do it again. Whoa!
Is it a talking book? My first book. Elliot, open it. Battery died. Hi, Papa. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
In our great room, and we have Omi Vera. Merry Christmas, Vera.
Merry Christmas, everybody.